I want to go and collect it from him now.
I say not like your life.
Egba mi o.
Nobody they enter this dead zone come out alive.
They don't used to enter this place. You should go with the bag now. You should go with the bag. I don't need it anymore. Egba mi o. Hey!
When you travel. Man.
Baba, I did tell you.
Shit.
That woman get mind though.
Only that woman as early as 7 o'clock.
Over money.
Hey!
I don't make am. Baba, I don't make am.
You say what? We don't make am.
We don't make am. Yeah. Man count.
I tell you now, that woman dey always pass there.
Can you imagine? Sorry. 95. Oh boy. God of heaven.
No worker or government worker they work 95 a day.
They create. Where government for saying? Even federal government cannot do this for any citizen. They create.
A day.
For
95. NYSC people when I student have been whatsoever.
Yes,
19.5 a month. I want 9.5 a day.
And government they owe them sometimes. Baba, we know they owe ourselves. Baba, more your share. Okay, wait, man. I'll give you like.
No, 1-1.
Okay.
I don't want me to cheat anybody. 1, 2. Oh, but you they give me fine money now.
Baba, money. So far you feel use them. Yeah, this one I will share.
See?
I don't really get change. You understand? We'll just share this one.
No, me bring this job. No, me tell the woman, me tell the woman, me go back.
But let me take risk. Yeah? You know where I enter? If you enter there, you don't come out.
I know they entered there before. Who entered there yesterday?
Papa, now shit, you go shit. Forget. Now me they enter there. Yeah.
Papa, give me the money.
Hey, don't worry. You know my chairman. You understand? I'll give you 300, man. Oh, 200.
Boy, I have to go play visual.
You want to play game? No.
Let's go.
I want to go eat for that one stuff. Oh, yeah, beans. Jesus. Leave this one. Where you go now?
I want to play visual.
Yeah, okay, I'll block you now. I'm not worried. I'll block you.
Give me 300.
Forget. No fear. Follow the same road.
Stop there! I say halt! Nico poop! Stupid fool! You're a bomb fool! You're a Nico, you're a quackwaya! Give me bag! Now! I say halt! Oga, come my bag! They're not enter that place, so. Why? It's a dead zone, Who made it a dead zone? Nobody they rob when go enter that place come out alive. See, my brain is alive. I have read more than 200 books. I have studied more than 15 institutions. I have traveled more than 30 states in this country and more than 19 countries in this world. And I can tell you, no place is deadlier than an academic institution. I have been everywhere. This guy must come my bag. Tell him to come back with my bag now. I think no place is deadlier than an academic institution. Yes. Enter Bush institution. Oh, really? Enter Bush institution now. Are you threatening me? I threaten you. Are you threatening? Do you know who I am? I'm a professor of academic excellence. Enter Bush now. I am an emeritus. See, that guy is a quagmire. And I think that you are... that guy is a catalyst. He's an idiot. He's a nincompoop. He's a bomb fool. Give me my bag. Give me my bag. You stole my bag. How can you steal from my institution? How can you steal from a professor? I will mess you up. I will come back. Okay, enter Bush now. Don't go, enter Bush. You go nowhere, enter Bush. And they tell you in a dead zone. They know they enter that place. No, you know, when they watch for TV, say they cut person head, not be this bush that they talk. When they watch for bush, say they rob some. When they watch for TV, say they rob somebody. They don't enter bush, and all say not be this bush. When 2 policemen lost for this town, not be this bush there for lost. Enter.
Are you serious?
No, enter. Academic institution.
So this is how this world has turned into. This is how our young people have turned into. We train people to become institutions of knowledge, to become leaders, and they have become robbers instead. I'm disappointed.
Oga, things have been motivate. Enter bush, go motivate.
I'll come back. This has not ended. This has not come to an end. There is another station of this equal in this life. I will come back. There will be a movement. There will be a movement. A war is about to begin. This will be World War III.
You want to go to Tipsy Road here now?
Leave me alone. Get out.
But you know you're smart too. Now, Professor Bag go to rob. You go to rob grammar bag.
The man na professor.
You know here when they speak financial sagacity.
Brother, let me say the man will get money.
Where?
The man will get.
Financial sagacity.
Who they speak English? The guy.
Bro, open this bag and you dey celebrate.
What I am? Mo fẹ́ celebrate. Professor bag. I help with my bro. We suppose chess so.
In they go retreat.
The clothes don't dry sef. Just say nothing for rope.
Bro, nothing there here, husky.
Check when now, check the
Nothing there now,
You get a charger. iPhone charger. I know they not put the phone. Check where.
Oh boy, nothing there.
All this cloth not dry now. Which kind of rubbish brought this one now? Which kind of rubbish brought now the man they pursue me. The man pursue me now.
I bet more could go back. We'll not feel lose today now.
Brother, now this is it.
Move.
I like.
We're not going close.
I like the white.
Move.
Your drink, you want to lose your drink. Papa. Mo fẹ́ say this one. Not bad. Wetin be all this one na? 200. Wetin be all this one na? This kind of poor girl be this na?
See phone they tie with rubber.
Yeah?
This wristwatch wey these boys they wear.
Okay, na wristwatch oh. Kai.
Clear the way for left hand. Oh, God, I just imagine her for my.
And yes, this is what I thank you.
Yeah?
Nothing did this back again.
Wow.
Poor girl. Rubbish. My brother. My brother. My brother.
Yeah! We. Yeah!
Gold.
Yeah!
Gold.
Yeah!
Gold.
Jesus!
Bro, we be gold digger.
No, we're not digger.
Okay, we gold
Bro,
still.
get her. Shit!
See good.
Oh boy.
She even get money.
Yeah.
This girl hoe. This girl father be like Dangote.
What be like?
See Pef.
Still, spray me. Oh,
After you rub finish, you
smell well. Yes. They say. You wear that one.
When you carry this bag, go things full this bag.
No be lie.
No be how dismantle this bag.
Close dey inside o.
Leave on. Na better thing this girl better.
Make pants no go there and make her dey talk. If pants dey make you keep am with that girl bag, I know they like useless things o. Bring that money. No, don't worry for that money. Man, you use and take bad beans for this man stuff. But they go ask. No, not like rubbish. I hate poverty. Hey God!
Say you be like a hush puppy dog.
What did they worry you now? Why you call me dog now?
Okay, hush puppy.
Good! My God! Yeah, so I be the house puppy.
Doctor
you
there.
too. You be the house puppy, but when you suffer, suffering house puppy. It up house puppy 2011. Bad God! Yo, nigga.
Guys don't they do work. This is just the bush.
Chairman.
Hey, my brother, how far now?
Okay, now your bag they carry around yours now.
One small boy just they do rehearsal.
The small boy, this area na dead zone.
Na that zone.
If they thief your bag, you know they enter.
Oh, now for the try clear.
Say
am.
Hey, boy, how far? Baba Tuale. But you're looking good.
How you dey now?
I dey fine, Baba. Wetin dey play?
One small boy just carry my bag. I just dey come.
Where you dey? Why you no light the boy? Where carry Chemo bag now?
Che, I know what's not Chemo.
You don't know this Egbon. Now them form this hood. Now them be the men where they make things happen. Yeah. You don't. Hey, see. Who be the person who up to now? Now you do it. Tepeke may roll come out here. May use the head. The road they come.
Alpha,
Baba.
call Elijah and Sukus for me.
Baba no vex.
Alpha, give me cigar.
Peke!
Baba smoke cigar. Baba smoke.
Alpha, give me lighter.
Baba no worry. If lighter no day, Peke head go light up for you.
Peke!
Oh, but this small boy carry my
Hey,
bag.
fuck up. You don't know.
Peke, no.
For where we pay development fee put.
Wait. They say you snatch Egbon bag. You the waka come out like giants. Abi, you and you still stand. Baba no vex.
Oh, so
But I
carry
don't
my
know
bag.
now. I don't know.
See, I swear, true to God. Now when I don't enter, now I come to hear say na chair.
That guy stand they talk.
Boy, no.
Baba no vex.
No,
Use
no.
your knee, eh? Use your knee. Go ahead, chair for there. Cause they be so and you don't fuck up. Matuale. Like this, abi. Just use that waka they go.
Twale your father.
Egbon, no.
Oh boy, if you stand up, you go back to that bush, when you come back. You use your head light this cigar.
Baba, lose guard, they know the shower. My carry they go hood, no go treat their fuck up there.
Better.
When they follow me, you self we don't take for the hood.
No,
Don't
nah,
suppose know how they
you know
play.
now, you know
You
now.
let this. When follow me. Baba, just chill. Make them follow me.
Egbon, no.
Make
Don't
it light
for
this
there.
thing for me.
No.
No, you collect my bag.
No, Egbon, no.
No, that bag don't less now. That bag big pass that one now.
No, you collect anything inside.
Don't go and the grace. If I go my die.
want to kill me.
Oh, why you die now?
Again, I go run into you. This man when I see so na person I boss when he enter say where they come from. When I follow me, wait, I see there and they talk and they misbehave.
But now no be you guys. You try.
Shut up, me we rest today. You say no.
I'll kill you now.
Wait. Even for my present, una dey lose guard, abi? No. Una dey lose guard. Nah, dey una back. Una dey move, man dey so. Man dey move.
No be you got this thing.
See you.
No be you got this thing.
You
You for waiting.
let una know.
You for waiting.
For you. Make them travel.